Hello everyone. In this module, we will learn about the temperature zones. The Earth is the beautiful planet. It is the only living planet in the entire solar system. Favorable conditions for the life prevail on Earth. Air to breathe in, water to drink, and suitable temperature conditions that make the life possible on this beautiful planet. However, the temperature of a place depends on the amount of heat it receives from the sun. The heat is not uniformly distributed over the surface of the earth. Some places are very hot, temperature is very high, while others are extremely cold, the temperature is very less. The amount of heat received by the surface of the earth depends on the angle at which the rays of the sun fall on that surface. The difference of temperatures is due to the shape of the earth as well as the difference in the angle of sun's rays as they reach the surface of the earth. Let's first understand about the shape of the earth. The earth, as I have told you, is spherical in shape. It is flattened at the poles and slightly bulging at the equator. So, earth has the largest circumference at the equator. Because of this shape, the sun's rays do not fall in the same angle on the earth's surface. Right at noon, the temperature is very high as the sun's rays fall almost vertically on the surface. When the rays of the sun falls directly on those parts which are vertically below the sun, rays of the sun heat only smaller area on the earth. Thus, heat energy received by that area also is very high. While the evenings, the temperature is very mild because the sun's rays fall at an inclined angle over the surface of the earth. Same is happening in the morning also. Based on intensity of the heat the earth receives from the sun, the surface of the earth is divided into different heat zones. These heat zones are: first is the tropical zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Let's learn about torrid zone or tropical zone first. The regions between the Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north and Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south is known as the torrid zone or the hot zone. The torrid zone extends over both the northern and southern hemispheres. It is also called the tropical zone. The sun's rays fall vertically over the surface almost throughout the year. There is not much variation in the climate throughout the year. This region experiences high temperature and high humidity. The summers are extremely hot, whereas the winters are warm in torrid zone. Next is the temperate zone. The regions between the Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north and the Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north in northern hemisphere and Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degrees south and Antarctic Circle 66.5 degrees south in southern hemisphere are known as the temperate zones. This zone experiences mild temperatures as the sun's rays fall on the earth's surface at an inclined angle throughout the year. The days are longer during the summer months while the nights are longer in the winter months. The temperate zone experiences warm summers and cold winter. In the temperate zone, the temperature is mild, neither too hot nor too cold. The next is the frigid zone. The frigid zone in northern hemisphere lie from Arctic Circle 66.5 degrees north and the North Pole 90 degree north in northern hemisphere and Antarctic Circle 66.5 degrees south and South Pole 90 degrees south in southern hemisphere. Being at poles, the sun's rays are extremely slanting, which don't bring much heat, and because of this makes the frigid zone extremely cold all year round. The human life is very difficult in frigid zone, so very few people live here. I hope the temperature zones are clear to you. Thank you.